up, guys?
Hell yeah.
It's your old Uncle Buck and Bubba. Now we did something a little different tonight.
Yeah, we did.
Now, needed to get some good practice in on that drone,
Right.
so we went out to old Cousin Danger's place.
That's right.
Didn't really fish, as much as we wanted to.
Right.
But this video was nothing but drone footage.
That's right.
We took it up at Bubba's pond.
Yeah.
Took it up over the property. You can see, I only took it up half as far as it would go.
Right.
And that was a long fucking
You
way.
ain't lying.
Now we did crash it once,
Yeah, we did.
but we was able to salvage it.
Yeah. It got saved, didn't it? Whew, luckily.
Yeah, that was kind of scary there for a minute because thing ain't cheap.
You ain't bullshit.
Got some good practice in tonight,
Yeah,
Figured we show y'all that. We're gonna do the fishing video tomorrow.
That's right.
Hopefully we catch something.
All right.
But anyway, y'all get a bird's eye view.
Hell yeah, enjoy the video.
Go Cousin Danger's house.
And we will. I know everybody, a lot of y'all done seen that Bossier water tower with the flag and all that. Me and Uncle Buck done decided we're gonna go over there and fly that drone over that water tower, because they say if you look at the
very top
of it, you can see the American flag. So we're gonna fly that drone over that water tower, aren't we? And hey, we're gonna share that with y'all too, ain't that right, Uncle Buck?
Once we send that old bird up and get a good look at it, we'll show y'all. But hell, I ain't got nothing but aerial footage tonight, so
yeah.
y'all enjoy it. And when you're flying, dominate.
Dominate.
See y'all tomorrow.
See y'all